Hello guys and welcome back to Comment, and it's time for a new tutorial series and we are going to talk about code optimization. So a lot of you guys have requested me to create a tutorial series about optimization in Unity. We are not going to do it. So if you're developing for a website, or if you develop an app or whatever, this tutorial series is still meant for you. Because even though Unity itself can already provide a lot of things to make sure that the optimization is better, the real way to optimize your project is by optimizing your scripts. The basic idea of optimization is this: decreasing the amount of steps, removing steps you don't use, and make sure that you don't redo certain steps which you already have done. So that are the three principles of optimization. Something about the videos which are going to be in this tutorial series: they are going to be short tutorials with only one subject at a time. Because I can talk 1 hour about all the principles about how to optimize your scripts, but it's going to be very boring and also very hard to understand everything directly after each other, because it's a lot of information and I want to make sure that you guys understand everything perfectly. So that's why I'm only going to make one video for every subject. Also, if you are a beginner programmer, please don't already start with code optimization. It's something for people who already programmed for a few months and think, well, a lot of my projects were very slow, I want to optimize it a little bit. So this is for a beginner in optimization. Also, in my tutorial series, I don't use a lot of times optimization because it makes the script more complicated. It also makes it for people who need to understand this a lot harder. So that's just for people who also follow my other tutorial series. Some subjects are going to be formulas instead of loops, dead code, unreachable code, and a lot of other subjects. I already got around 20. So there are a lot of different ways to optimize it, and I'm going to talk about each of them. And we are going to end this video with 2 tips to start with. So one of them is for everyone: the use comments. You need to use comments in your script because there are 3 principles of code optimization: are the decreasing of the amount of steps, the removing of steps that you don't need, and remove steps you're redoing every time and place them on another part of the code. But if you don't know what you're doing, how can you decrease the amount of steps and do all the other things? So use comments at the moment you're going to script that code. Also, don't have any objects selected during runtime. That's something only for Unity users, and I think maybe also for Unreal Engine and some other engines, that if you are selected an object, it will render in the editor the values, the lists, everything that's public. And for a lot of engines, that's very hard to do. For the optimization or the performance of your game is going to decrease very quickly, and you think, oh, my game is very bad optimized. Well, actually you just have that one object selected, which means that it could be happening that a script or a game or a project that runs on 40 frames per second now runs on only 5 frames per second. So just think about it. But that was everything for today. I hope I can see you guys next Saturday. I will start with the very first way to optimize your scripts. And if you like this tutorial series, please leave a like or a subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.